Qwen has released a new version of image generation model that is Qwen Image 2512, and it is really great with generating realistic images. Like here you can see a few samples. Like this one looks great, and like these looks more of a natural image rather than a AI's type of image. Like here you can see the samples, and here are a few other samples like it has generated. Here you can see. And talking about like the comparison, this one is generated by old Quanimus and this is generated by the new 2512. Similarly, this new one looks more of a natural rather than a AI smooth to image. So here you can see the differences over here. Like even in natural scenario, these looks more of a natural tone with proper reflection and all. This looks more of a cartoonish, I would say. And similarly over here, with more with natural tides of a sea as well, and like this dog as well. And these are a few of the samples. This is not that great with infographics as compared to Nano Banana or like ChatGPT, but this looks good actually. And talking about the leaderboard, like from this AI arena of Alibaba, it is at the rank of 4 in text to image generation. But this is not that great with text, editing the image. Like, I guess they have not used this. If you want to try this, either you can follow through this video or to use this locally, or you can just come to the this Hugging Face space. From here, you can just try this online. This won't be like that many trials, but you can use it a few times, or you can just use it from QuanChat. So you can either use from here image generation or either from the Hugging Face space or like either locally running it. From now, I will tell you how you can run it locally. So once you have opened your comfy web, you have like two options. Like either you can just open the templates and get with this Qwen Image 2512. You can go with this workflow, but this is a little bit of complicated. So I recommend you to just go with the workflow that I have provided to you. You just download this workflow and then just drag and drop on this place, like blank space, and then just skip this for now. And like you will get this. And here I have like written proper documentation, like how and what models you will be downloading. And here is like the location of this file. All these text encoders will be in like in your configure project, and then models, and then in the text encoders, and the units is for like the quantized models, the .jjuf models, and then LoRa's over here, and the diffusion models is for like the actual models, like from here, and then VAs are also over there. So we'll talk about quantized models in a while, but like you might already have downloaded text encoders and VAs if you are using older version of Qwen Image, so you can skip those. Rest you will be downloading. Like if you have less VRAM, you will be going with this quantized models, which I will tell you in a while. If not, you can go with either F8-bit or 16-bit quantized like this one. So then you can also go with any of these LoRa's, and then we'll be good to go. So either like you can just click over here and then download the model, and then just paste the specific model in the specific directory, or if you have little bit of knowledge, then you can just create a bash script using ChatGPT. Copy all this and ask ChatGPT like you want to create a bash script to download all these models in the specific directory. And here is a sample. Like I have asked ChatGPT about I want a bash script for this is my root directory, and this is for my Linux. It has done this. So the bash script will be something like this. So this is for Linux. And here we have mentioned our comfyui directory. And then just like for this, like you can just right click over here and then just copy the path, or like I have opened this in VS Code. Like you can just copy paste the absolute path of your project, and then like this will be the project, and then just add a slash models, and then we'll be good to go. Here, like we are downloading the text encoders, and then the LoRa. For now, we are having like six 16-bit LoRa F16, and then diffusion models. We are going with diffusion models. If you don't have enough VRAM, you can just comment this out and then just go with like quantized model. So for now, like I will also download this both of these to show you, and like I'll also download this, and like you just have to go to the terminal and then this type source and then the path of this file, like the name, download this name of this file. Since I have like written a root directory, so I have this given it directly. So you just do that and just hit enter, and it will download all these models automatically. But if you don't have Linux, or like if you getting confused about this, you just do one thing. Just click over here and it will get downloaded a model, and then just if it's a text encoder, you just go to the comfy UI and then just models, and then here is text encoder. Yeah, and then just paste that model over here. Similarly for low RAWs and diffusion models and all of these, I'll just go one by one. But like if you have knowledge, you can just go the bash script. So for now, let's wait till all the models are get downloaded. So either way, we have downloaded all these models, and you can just verify these. Like we have one in unit, V8, diffusion models, and then text encoders, low RAWs, and yeah, text encoders. Oh yeah, we have everything. So now we are good to go. We'll just reload this once again. And this time it did not show any of this warning. It means we are good to go. So for now, let's run this. And this is basic text to image generation. So we'll generate one. So here we'll be writing the text prompt. And so before running this, I recommend you to select all of these models once based on your requirements. Because I might have selected other models in the template, so you just have to do that for once, and then just hit the run button and wait for a while. And like here's our image that it has generated based on our requirements. So like before showing you the image examples, like I want to show you how you can just use the quantized model. So for that, here you have to just click on the configure manager, and you have to download one another node, and it's let it load first, and it's comfyui GGUF. So it's over here. If you didn't find that, you can just type it here and then just install. Click on the install and then select. For now, we'll be selecting the latest version, and then just wait, and then click on the restart. Just restart this and just confirm this, and it will reload the page. And now you can just double click over here and just type unit load. So you have to just open this one, unit load GGUF, and then just select the model. And then so you have to just give the model over here. If you are using the LoRa, so you'll be giving this model to the LoRa. But if you are not using LoRa, you'll be giving this directly over here. But for now, we'll be giving this to LoRa, and then everything else will be same, and we'll hit run, and we are good to go. But for the quantized model, you can also have so many options. Like I have downloaded this Q4 KM, but like you have other options also. You just click over here, and like you can have any of these models based on your VRAM. Like you can just download any of these models. So for now, like I have used this one, and let's wait for a while until it generates the image. And here's the image generated by this quantized model. And if you want to edit the image, you just have to do this thing, like just double click over here and then click on the load image, and then also double click and then just type VAE in code, and then just give this image to the pixels, and from here drag the VAE over here, VAE, and then give this latent to this K sampler. So you will be giving this latent to the K sampler, and then just select any of the image you want to change. And like here I have selected this lady, and I will like let's make her wear a black jacket or something, black coat or something. And then just let me just give this to this model, actual model, another quantized, and then just hit the run. So based on your GPU, it will take some time, and let's wait till that. I forgot to tell you one thing, like you might have to change these parameters, like denoise is like how many percentage of pixel do you want to change based on like the original image. So I guess this works well with 0.7 to 0.8 for most of the time with this model. And like you can also change CFG value and then steps also. So you can play with these parameters to get the best results. But if you want the recommended parameters on the K sampler, like if you're using the base 16 variant, like you can go with CFG of 4 and then step 50. And then if you're going with F8, then you can just have these. And if you're using F8 and LoRa, lightning LoRa, you can go with this. So you can play with these parameters, but this is the recommended one. And talk about the like resolution, so you can like get best results with these. Since I have denoise value of 1, so it has entirely changed the image. So we have to play with these parameters to get the best result. After a few tries, like here are the images it has got, like this one is like nearest. But like you have to play with these parameters to get the perfect result. And there are a few samples generated using this model, but with different variants. Like this was from F8 with no LoRa, and this was from F8 with this lightning LoRa. Similarly, this one is from F16 with LoRa, and this one is like F8 without LoRa, and this one is similarly with F8 but no LoRa. Similarly, this one is from F16 no LoRa. I guess yeah, the best one is like if you use like F16 variant with no LoRa, but yeah, it also depends upon the steps and the denoise and other parameters. So yeah, this is it for today, and I hope you can run it locally in your system. But if you are getting any problem, like you can comment so that I could help you. And if you want the video in comparison of this model with other models like Nano Banana, ChatGPT, Jet Image, or any other like Union Image 3, you can let me know in the comment box below. And if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you're interested in similar videos, now don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one.